The Aufbau principle is a description of building up of electrons in which the structure of each in sequence is obtained by simultaneously adding one proton to the nucleus of the atom and one electron to the atomic orbital. So electrons enter the lowest energy level first. For example, oxygen has 8 protons and 8 electrons. The Aufbau principle states the first 2 electrons will fill the 1s orbital. The next 2 will fill the 2s orbital, leaving the remaining 4 electrons to take spot in the 2p orbital. That would be written as this.
Hello, I am Wolfgang Ernst Pauli. I was born on April 25, 1900. In 1945, after being nominated by Albert Einstein, I received the Nobel Prize in Physics for my decisive contribution through my discovery of a new law of nature, the exclusion principle, or Pauli exclusion principle. It's the way I explained the arrangements of electrons in an atom. My hypothesis was that only one electron can occupy a given quantum state. That is, each electron in an atom has a unique set of quantum numbers. The principal quantum number, which gives its energy level, the magnetic quantum number, which gives the direction of its spin. If it hadn't held true, all of these electrons in an atom would pile up in the lowest energy state. In fact, it holds up not just electrons, but for any half-integer spin particles, like electrons, protons, neutrons, muons, and many more.
The arrangements of electrons in an atom? What? As you can see, the 1s subshell can hold only 2 electrons, and when filled, the electrons have opposite spins.
I am Frederick Hun. I am known for my work on atoms and molecules. My rule of maximum multiplicity is an observational rule which states that a greater total spin state usually makes the resulting atom more stable. It can be taken that if 2 or more orbitals of equal energy are available, electrons will occupy them singly before filling them in pairs. In other words, when electrons occupy orbitals of equal energy, they don't pair up until they have to.
When electrons occupy orbitals of equal energy, they don't pair up until they have to?
When filling sublevels other than s, electrons are placed in individual orbits before they are paired up. Electrons feel like people do on a bus. You would never sit right next to somebody you didn't know if there were free seats available. Unless, of course, all the seats are taken, then you must pair up.